Be the change you want to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we celebrate the birthday of a legend who shook the world in a very gentle way, also known as Mahatma Gandhi. Every year it is celebrated on October 2nd to mark the birthday of the legend. This year marks his 152nd birthday as well. Today also marks the International Day of Non-Violence by the UN or United Nations. Wait, today there is someone else's birthday as well. He was one of the freedom fighters of India. Guess whom? 3, 2, 1. If you are right, it'll be Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was one of the former Prime Minister of India who started the Green Revolution in India for increasing food grain production in India. Okay, now let's get back to Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi had studied law and worked as a client in South Africa. Upon return, he joined the Indian National Congress and led a nationwide campaign against the British. Let's now know about some of his movements which he has done. Dandi March. Dandi March, also known as Salt Satyagraha movement, was to oppose the salt law introduced by the British. Indians were restricted for the production and for selling of salt. British not only exercised monopoly over their manufacture of salt, but also imposed heavy salt tax as well. This led to a civil disobedience which started the Dandi March. Non-cooperation movement. This was essentially a peaceful one and non-violent one. This was a protest against the British. They were asked to relinquish their titles and resign from their nominated scale to local bodies as a mark of the protest. This was because of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre which started up this movement. Quit India movement. Quit India movement, also known as the August movement, and its main goal was to end British rule in India. It was started in Bombay, now known as Mumbai, where Gandhi asked Indians to do or die. And he also has done a lot more movements. He also inspired movements for civil rights and for freedom across the world. He ran nationwide campaigns for basic human rights to ease poverty, expand women's rights, build religious and ethnic rights and ethnic harmony, and also in just use of the caste system. He behaved that if the British have to leave India, it's not by war, but it's Gandhi believed it was by being peaceful and by being non-violent. Gandhi was a true legend or true hero because of his bravery of what he has done for our nation. He also inspired all Indians to understand and learn resistance by non-violent civil disobedience. He was a visionary leader as well. Top qualities of Mahatma Gandhi which we have to incorporate in our lives. Faith in self. If we believe that we cannot do something, it makes us incapable of at least thinking of doing it. But when we believe that we can do it, then it allows us to acquire the ability of doing it. Even if we didn't have it at the beginning, we'll get to have it in the later words. We all have great abilities and we can do it, but we never realize that because we never believe that we can have a nationwide or a worldwide impact. But remember, we can do it. Resistance and persistence. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, and then they fight you, and then you win. And it was a similar instance which happened between the British and Mahatma Gandhi. Almost every legend agrees to this, even Albert Einstein and a lot more. The opposition may make you feel worse, but you must resist opposition and persevere. And the third most important thing is forgiveness. The weak can never be forgiven. It is the attribute of the strong. what people don't understand, that forgiveness is not only a Greek quality, but it's also somewhat a selfish type of, as many people do not tend to forgive other people, as they feel it's kind of selfish. But listen up, that when you forgive someone, you let go the negativity and your body becomes peaceful. And fourth thing is learning from mistakes. Confession of errors is like a broom which sweeps away the dirt and leaves a clean, shiny, and clearer floor. We all humans make mistake at some part of our life. Only when we learn from our failures and mistakes, it becomes a success. Truthfulness. Truth stands alone, even if there be no public support. It is self-sustained. While lying, you might serve for some purpose for a short time, but truth lasts forever. Truth stands for itself. Whether the whole country be against you, truth can stand itself. On this birthday, let's all make a pledge to assimilate and adapt these qualities in your life and make a world a better place. Thank you and have a great time. Let's meet in the next video.